Hi everyone, it's Juliet here. I've got another package from Beebeecraft which we're going to open. And the good news is that they are finally moved into their new warehouse. So that's exciting, their new American warehouse. Okay, I started cutting this open. So, okay. This looks like some crystals, so we'll have a look at that in a second. From Beebeecraft, I'll turn that. This, I'm not sure, we're going to have to open that. Here's the packing slip. Okay, this looks like some more stuff we're going to have to open. Ooh, these are nice. These are connectors that I got. They're actually bigger than I imagined them to be as well. And what is this? Oh, this is, I think, some gemstones. So we've got a lot of stuff to look at. Let me get this bubble wrap out of the way. And we'll start here with this. Okay. So this is a set, I believe, of 3mm crystals, and they are like electroplated, I believe, which I guess means they have like a shiny coat on them. Woo! Oops. And I love the way all this stuff from Beebeecraft comes in these cool little boxes. Oh, this is cute. Look, each little thing has its own little door, and they're numbered 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you can see that, but they have numbers. It's like a little pill box, but it's 12 little doors, and they're each individually taped shut. So bear with me 1 second. Let's get some of this tape off and have a look at the crystals. Did I get it all? No, there's a little bit more. And I have to say, every single package I've ever had from Beebeecraft has been really, really well packed. I've not had anything like arrive broken or damaged. Okay, so inside each little compartment you get a bunch of crystals. And oh, these are actually the rondelles. These are not the bicones. They look super cute. I like this color. Very shiny. These are so small that, you know, they just look like little shiny crystals. Nobody's gonna kind of notice whether they're fancy or not, but these all look very nice. So you get, oh, you can see better through that. So you get a sort of what I would call a true blue. I don't know. You get a like aqua blue, red, then a darker green and a lighter green, like a leafy green. And then this looks like a kind of like topaz color. You get clear, you get an orange, and then this looks like a kind of smoky quartz, or yeah. This you get pink and a like purple amethyst color, and then it looks like a black color. So that's really fun. I like that. Okay, the next item. Maybe I should lay this stuff out. No, that'll get in the way. Okay. So the next item we looked at was this one, I think. So let's have a look. So yeah, we can make some pretty crystal projects. All of these things I'll be using in my next videos for projects that I'm going to be teaching you guys to make. So if you want to order any of this stuff, just go to beebeecraft.com, and I will put the links in the description so you can see it in case. Okay, I'm just looking to see if this is taped. I don't think it is. Okay. Okay. Oh yes. So these are little crystals, but like in settings, sew-on settings. So we've got little round ones, it looks like. Let me open this little baggie and I can show you. So yeah, there's a lot of these aqua colored. They're just mixed colors. So you don't really know what you're going to get. But yeah, there's a lot in there. This would be great if you're into like bead embroidery, but also we can make things like earrings or a pendant or something. And you get all different shapes. So these are like little round ones. Ooh, these are, ooh, okay. Again, in this cool little case. Oh, these are hearts. Oh, I need to sneeze. Hang on one second. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, you get little hearts. Let's see what this one is. These are like teardrop shape pear. Let me dump some of these out. Oh, I've got a random pearl in this box. That's kind of funny. So yeah, these are, oh, I love this one. Ooh, these are so pretty. They're actually really, really, like these ones are really shiny too. Yeah, they all are, that green. These are really nice. So you get some pears, you get hearts, you get little round ones. You know what, I'm just gonna dump them in. I think that's actually what you're supposed to do with them, is just dump them in there. Okay, these are bigger round ones. So we've got little round ones. I would say these are probably 8mm, and these are probably 4. Okay, these are marquee shape, so like the kind of elongated with a point at each end. Marquee. Ooh, these are so pretty. I like the way you tend to get like a lot of a certain color, which makes it really useful for if you're doing a project, you actually have enough to do a lot. So I've got some like champagne ones, some light blue ones, some of these kind of red AB coated ones, and some clear AB it looks like. Here's a green one. These are really pretty. I can't wait to use these. I'm super excited about this. I just dropped 1 and 2 in that one. Okay, what shape are these? These are rectangles. So you get some rectangles, blues, pinks, purples. So they're just all mixed colors. Then these are like little ovals. I'm just going to move on quickly. But yeah, I've got pinks, reds, blues, some yellows in there. Very pretty. And the last compartment has, again, teardrops, but they're more pointy than, they're like skinny ones, like small skinny ones instead of the bigger, those are the hearts. Where were the other teardrops? Oh, right here. Yeah, so these ones are like fatter and bigger. These ones are like skinnier, and so it looks like a lot of blues, like turquoises, some champagnes there, some like pinky purpley. There's some really pretty ones that have like a bunch of color in them. So yeah, that's a fun little set that just to add some sparkle into whatever project you're working on. I'm not even going to be able to get that back in there. I'm going to have to take these out of the bag. There we go. That's cute. Actually, I don't think I'm going to be able to close that one either. Might as well just dump them all out and then I can look at them more closely after the video. Oh, these are so pretty. Yeah, this is going to be fun for like using in the middle of a section of a bracelet or something, and you can bead around them. It's going to be good. Okay, really like those. And I'll put a link in the description for that. Okay, the next one. Again, very well packed. Everything's very well packed. So I've got a little collection of trash here. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is more of the same, but it's just one big set. All of just clear AB with a gold rim. I don't know what you call that. Gold setting. Gold colored setting. And again, you get this lovely little box to keep them in. So yeah, these are, again, little sew-on rhinestone in a little gold setting. And they're like, they're kind of like opal-y. I don't know. I guess they're just AB. Crystal AB. And I think you get 100 or something in this. So yeah, my plan is to do a bracelet with these. Like I said, with like beading around the outside of them. Okay, and then the next one. All these boxes. Let's have a look. Okay, these are, yeah, connectors. And wow, these are bigger and more sturdy than I imagined they would be. And I think you get either 50 or 100. You get a lot. So these are like little metal daisies. And these ones have 1 loop at the top and 3 loops at the bottom, which is awesome. And yeah, they're quite thick, sturdy. You know, they're not like the thin brass stampings. They're kind of big, but these are cute. And I have a fun project for these that you're really gonna like. It's something very different. So there's those, and then our last item in this package. Let me see if I can get into it. Hey. These are, I believe, some little gemstone beads. Excuse me for sniffling. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. These are little 2mm. They're tiny, tiny little 2mm. I think they're black spinel or spinel, however you say it. I say spinel. Oops. Wow, these are beautiful. They are so sparkly and they're so tiny and dainty. Very pretty. You get 2 strands. And the strands are pretty long. They're, you know, 16-inch long. These are gorgeous. I'm gonna be using these as well. In fact, I might use these with this. I'm really into like black and white at the moment. But yeah, these are the sparkle on that. I hope the camera is showing that. It's very, very pretty. Okay, so that's all I got in this packet. So I got the gemstones, I got the connectors, I got these gold crystals in settings, and then I got the mixed crystals in the settings, and I got the 3mm electroplated rondelles, crystal rondelles, which are really fun as well. Very cute. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see what I make with all this. And you can, if you want to order, I'll put the links in the description, and then you can order this stuff, and then when I make the videos, you'll be able to bead along with me. So I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.